Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you the complete process to download and install Fortnite on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, open up any web browser on your PC. In the search bar, type in Epic Games and hit search. From the search results, locate this official Epic Games Store website. It should say Epic Games Store. Click on this link. Once you're on homepage, navigate to the top right corner of the page, where you'll see the download button. Click it, and the Epic Games launcher will begin downloading. Once the download is finished, go to your Downloads folder. You should see the Epic Games installer file there. Double-click on it to begin the installation process. The Epic Games launcher installation will now open. Click Install to continue. The installer will download and set up all the necessary files. This should only take a few minutes. You may see another security prompt during this process. Simply click Yes to allow it. After the installation completes, the Epic Games launcher will automatically open. If it doesn't, you can find it in your Start menu or on your desktop. Once the launcher is open, you'll need to sign in. If you already have an Epic Games account, simply enter your email and password and click Sign In. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one by clicking Sign Up bottom, or you can sign in using these options for quick access. Now that you're inside the Epic Games launcher, at the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Click on it and type in Fortnite. The game should appear in the search results. Click on the Fortnite to open its store page. On the Fortnite page, scroll down. On the right side, click Get button. Since Fortnite is free to play, you won't be charged anything. Once your order is processed, you'll see a confirmation message. Click on View in Library to go directly to your game library. In your library, scroll down until you find Fortnite. Then click on it to access the installation options. Before installing, you can choose where you want Fortnite to be installed on your computer. By default, it will install on your C drive, but you can change the location if you prefer. You'll also see options to enable automatic updates and create a desktop shortcut. Once you've configured your preferences, click the Install button. A Terms and Conditions pop-up will appear. Read through it. Check the box and click Accept. The download and installation will now begin. You can track the progress by clicking on Downloads at the bottom left corner of the launcher. Keep in mind that Fortnite is approximately 80 gigabytes in size, so the download time will depend on your internet speed. Once the download and installation are complete, go to the Library section on the left-hand menu. Find Fortnite in your library and click on the Launch button to start playing. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Fortnite on your PC or laptop. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to ClickFix Tech for more gaming and tech guides. If you have any questions or run into any issues during the installation, let me know in the comments, and I'll be glad to help. See you in the next video.